Hi and welcome to OnceHub videos and Deepak from the OnceHub team. In our previous videos, we explored how to integrate and automate booking events using OnceHub and Make. If you missed them, be sure to check out the links in the description below. In this video, I will show you how to build a Make scenario that automatically responds when a meeting is rescheduled by a user in OnceHub. So rescheduled meetings often requires sales, customer success, and recruiting team to stay updated on scheduled changes. With OneSub and Make, these updates can be automated. For this demo, we will automatically set a Slack notification and update a Google Sheet whenever a meeting is rescheduled, helping teams stay alive. Let's start by creating our scenario. For this, log into your OneSub account. Click the gear icon in the top right corner and select Account Integrations. Here, locate Make. Click on Set Up on it. It will take you to the Make website where you can sign into your existing account or you can get started for a free account. When you hit sign, it will take you to the Make dashboard. Here to start automatically create scenario. And now it's a time to search our OneSub app and you will see triggers are available for our OneSub classic booking pages as well as for booking calendars. Click on Show More to see the list of available triggers and select Booking Reschedule. Click on Create a webhook. Give your webhook a name. Hit Save and save one more time. So our first app is now configured. Now it's a time to test this trigger by clicking on Run Once. Now go back to your OneSub and we need to send an event details. So locate your meeting, select reschedule and reschedule yourself and you can now select your meeting and time. So for team booking calendars, a rescheduled meeting may be assigned to a different team members based on your booking distribution settings. For example, if you are using any available team member distribution method, OneSub may assign the meeting to another available host at new time. Likewise, if you are using round robin, the meeting follows your round robin distribution rule and may be reassigned accordingly. Also, select your application, reschedule region, and hit reschedule. Meeting is scheduled. Go back to back and you will see the payload information that is sent from OneSub reschedule event. Now it's a time to send this information to our preferred app. Oh, select Slack. So more induction will be send a message. Uh, I have already made connection between all the app I am using for this demo. In case if you are using first time, then you will need to create a connection. For OneSub, it will be needed your API key, and for other app, you will need to manually make a connection. Select your channel name, the text that you want to send to your vendor, and you can map the data from our WhatsApp trigger, meeting subject, date and time, and refill version. Once my application and everything looks good, it's saved, and we will be sending our information one more time to Slack. So hit return once. Okay. Please give your confirmation that data is sent. And let's see to our Slack that how it is looking up. Okay, there you go. The data that we sent is now So you have to our Slack panel. Now it's the time to add one more app, that is our Google Sheet. So for tracking purpose, we will be sending the information to Google Sheet with an action, add a row, select your spreadsheet name, sheet name, then you can map the information to your columns. I will always suggest you to map the information from your uh, one subcategory, subject, and customer time zone, booking owner ID, and reschedule region. Okay, once mapping is done, hit save and let's execute our app update one more time. And once there you go, it is showing that our information is sent. You will see these two checkbox that ensure that our automation is working. So let me open my Google Sheet, and there you go. Our mapped information is now showing up. So it's a time to save our scenario, and our scenario is now set. So this automation is especially useful for sales, customer success, recruiting, and operation teams. Instead of manually notifying stakeholders or updating tracking sheets whenever a meeting changes, OnceHub and Make handles this process automatically, helping teams stay informed while reducing administrative work. And this workflow is also helpful for making the information to uh, available for our team members or other teams that is involved in our meeting details. And whenever a meeting is rescheduled, now your team can be notified instantly and your tracking records updated automatically as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.